Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do crochet braids, and I'm going to use this one packet of fluffy Kinky in the number 2 and this pin. I'm only using 2 things for this tutorial and I hope you guys are going to like it. And my hair is already done. I got somebody else to do it because I can't do cornrows that are this neat by myself, so I had to get some help. Yeah, so stick around to the end of this video to find out how I achieve this hairstyle. So the braids look like this, and I'm going to just take one strand and try and untangle it because I want something that looks close to my natural hair or an afro. So I'm going to divide this one strand of hair. I'm just dividing it randomly into different pieces, and I'll do that to the rest of the hair. So this is just how I do it. This is how I want my strands to look like. So I will have most of my strands looking like this, though I'll try and alternate the sizes so that it looks more natural when they are small, thicker curls. Yeah. So I've already finished untangling all my braids and it looks something like this, and I have them in different sizes. So the small ones, I'm going to use them at the front and the thicker ones at the back so that it creates a natural seamless look. So I will take my pin and just basically that's simple. So I'm going to do the same thing throughout, and okay, so that's it for today's video. If you like it, feel free to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment on what you think. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.